2015 Chevy Silverado, and it is the perfect work truck if you're looking for something with a fifth wheel hitch, bed liner, tow package, and an amazing interior with leather heated cooled seats, sunroof, and more. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this white exterior color. You have super bold, super big, chromed out grille with projector beam headlamps and fog lamps below. And this has a front sensing system and two tow hooks in the front, so everything's just nice and useful up front. This has a 6-liter V8 engine, and then looking down at your wheels, those are 20-inch chrome clad wheels, lots of tread on those tires. And you have your High Country badging on the side. Your side mirrors are chrome capped. You have those indicator lights on the sides as well as towing mirrors so you can see easier around your blind spot. And you have these running boards to help you up in the front and the back seats. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these brown leather seats with that tubular stitching of your High Country embroidered up top, perforated insert in the middle, really comfortable, heated and cooled, power adjustable, and your driver's side has memory settings. Then looking at your leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, you have your cruise controls, adaptive cruise control, your heated button there, cluster controls, and Bluetooth streaming with your media controls on the back. Then looking over at your media center, you have your radio options right here, phone settings, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth, your navigation system, so that will take you right to your destination really conveniently. And then all of your other apps settings are there, and when your vehicle is on. And in reverse, you have a backup camera to help you back up, line up your trailers, all of that. So you have your radio options right here, CD insert, as well as your climate controls, which are dual, so you can have different settings on each side of the front seat. You have your lane departure warning, sensing systems, bed light, traction control, and your power pedals right there with your settings on the sides for your seats. Lots of plug-ins. You have a 115-volt, two 12-volt, and 3 USB ports. Lots of room in this middle section with cup holders there. And inside of your center console, you have another 12-volt, an SD card reader, 2 more USB ports, and an aux port. Looking up, you have OnStar, which is subscribable, your garage door openers, and the controls for your power sliding rear window and your sunroof, so you want a nice breeze flow throughout this truck. And then making your way out, this has a Bose Sound System. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here, along with this cup holder armrest that can fold down with 2 cup holders in it. You also have a 12-volt right there. And then making your way around the side, you have your 4x4 decal, LED tail lamps, your High Country and Silverado badging, along with a rear sensing system and your tow package, plus these convenient corner steps so you can easily hop up into the bed. Looking into the bed, you have your bed liner and your 5th wheel hitch, along with your tie-down hooks on the sides. So, overall great vehicle. Have everything that media center, so your technologically advanced, but you also have the power with your engine, and then everything back here with your 5th wheel hitch and your tow package. So if you want to see this Chevy or any of our other trucks, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit, right?
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.